back once again. What's up, people? Next, I'm going to do a Codewars exercise called Disemvowel Trolls, a very pleasant sounding exercise. Codewars exercise in Python here. This one's got one of those amusing backstories. Trolls are attacking your comment section. A common way to deal with the trolls is to remove all the vowels from the trolls' comments, neutralizing the threat. Your task is to write a function that takes in a string and returns a new string with all the vowels removed. And then they give an example right there of this string incoming would become this string. Essentially, you're just removing the vowels from the string. So, and Y is not a vowel. So that's really the task here. It is take an incoming string, remove the vowels, and then return the string without the vowels. Everything else is intact in the string as you see here. So that's what we got to do. Yep. So, it's a little on the simpler side. So this should be a pretty quick one. So I'm going to go right into this editor area. And so the task is to remove the vowels from the string. The incoming parameter argument will be this string. And I'm going to go through it, remove all the vowels, and keep it moving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a string for the destination string, because I'm going to loop through the string and copy the non-vowels to the new string. So I'm just going to call this new string. Absolutely. I'm going to make it empty right now because I'm going to populate it with non-vowel characters as I go. And really what I can do is just go ahead and start looping. So I'm going to use a while loop for this, I think, just because I feel like it. I could use a for loop, but while loop is fine. So I'm going to start my I iteration variable as 0, because I'm going to use I to loop through the entire string. And I'll do the while setup. I'll do I less than the length of this string. I don't know why there's an underscore at the end of this string, but I'll keep it. And so in the loop, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy over the non-vowel characters. So I'm going to create a condition here where I'm only, I'll say basically, if this character that I'm isolating is not a vowel, then I'm going to copy it to the new string. And here's how I'm going to do it. I'm going to use an if statement. I'm going to say if this character, which is string index I, if that character is not in this string of vowels, and I'm going to do a string of vowels that contains the lowercase vowels and the uppercase vowels, because as you see over here, this includes uppercase and lowercase, so you've got to handle uppercase and lowercase. So I want to exclude lowercase and uppercase vowels, so I'm going to do it like that. So Python creates this kind of cool shorthand syntax where you can just kind of, you can search for something in something else by doing in or not in. So it's it's easier. So I can just say if this character is not in this string, do something or don't do something. In my case, I'm going to do something. If this character is not in that string, I am going to copy it to my new string via concatenation. Love the word concatenation. Sounds like a dance or something. And yeah, I'm going to concatenate this character to the new string, and my return statement's already here, so that's all good. And this one, this sucker is good to go. I believe. I'm going to test it. Oh, I made a mistake. Can you spot the mistake? The common mistake with the while loop. I did not increment my I. So I get an endless loop. So I got to do my I plus equals 1. Rookie mistake. Oh, okay. What did I do here? Oh, I'm returning the wrong thing. Hopefully you guys caught that. Yeah, I'm returning the original string, of course. So gotta correct that. And there we go. Because, yeah, the new string is the so-called modified string. And I gotta return that instead of the original. Why do I, yeah, I'm not gonna return the, you guys get it. I don't need to explain it. Tested, attempted. Yep, we good, we great, outstanding. So we can move on from this little evolution, this challenge, because we got great, and we are good to go. Outstanding. Happy night, happy flight. Good stuff. All right, that's it for me. Hope you liked it. I'm out of here for today, and enjoy your day. See you later.